Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good, staying safe in your homes and washing your hands regularly. Alright, so chalo, let's begin with our circle time. And we sing a hello song in circle time. You ready? Chalo, 1, 2, 3, and let's begin. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Yay! Hello children. So, what are we going to learn in circle time today? आज सर्कल टाइम में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं और आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे डिफरेंट डोमेस्टिक एंड फार्म एनिमल्स. So are you ready for it? Let's see the picture of a farm and identify different farm and domestic animals. Ready? Chalo, let's begin. So children, आज circle time में we are going to see few animals. Yes? So देखिए, this is a farm. Yes? ये पूरा एक farm है. Let us see कौन से animals हमें यहाँ दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Let's start from here. See? We have a cat. Cat. We can see a pond. And what animal is it? It's a duck. Duck. Yes? Then what do we have here? See? It's a dog. Dog. What do we have here? See? It's a hen. Hen. What do I have here? It's a cow. Cow. What do I have here? See? These are called sheep. Sheep. Next, can you see? It's an ox. Ox. Let's see here. We have got here rabbit. Rabbit. What do I have here? It's a rooster. Yes? Which animal is it? Rooster. Which animal do I have here? These are called goat. Goat. If you see here, it's a horse. Horse. Which animal is this? It's a donkey. Donkey. Let's revise it one more time. Yes? Cat, goat, horse, donkey, rooster, rabbit, dog, duck, hen, cow, sheep, and ox. So these are domestic animals. So that was our circle time. So what are we going to learn next? In our English session today we are going to learn about short O sound. और क्या sound है इसका? Yes, it makes the sound O. O says O. So we are going to see 3-letter words related to sound of short O. Are you ready? Let's see the groups. Okay, so we have the first group. O, G, Og. O, G, Og. Let's make the words. See, if I put letter L over here, it's L, Og, log. L, Og, log. If I remove this and I put the next letter, see, J, Og, jog. J, Og, jog. Next, see, we have letter D. देखो क्या word बनता है? D, Og, dog. I repeat, D, Og, dog. If I replace this with letter J, देखो, J, Og, jog. If I replace it with L, तो देखो, yes, L, Og, log. Let's see the next group. It's Oct, ot. I repeat, Oct, ot. If I write over here, letter H, see, H, ot, hot. H, ot, hot. Next, if I remove H और उसकी जगह if I put letter C, देखो Cot, cot. Cot, cot. Let's replace this with letter P. देखो, pot, pot. Pot, pot. तो देखो, what words did we make with this group? Oct, ought. हम लोगों ने जब यहाँ लेटर P लिखा, it became pot, pot. Before that we had seen cot, cot. अगर हम C लिखते हैं यहाँ, so it becomes cot, cot. And अगर हम इसे replace करते हैं with letter H, see? Hot, hot. Hot, hot. तो यहाँ हमने दो ग्रुप्स देखे, og, og and oct, ought. Og and ought का ग्रुप हमने देखा. Let's see the next group. Okay, so we have the next group that says ox, 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 and op, 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 op. I repeat, ox, ox, and op, op. Let's see the words. Are you ready? देखिए, if I put letter B here, b, ox, box. I repeat, b, ox, box. Very good. Next, if I put letter F, see, f, ox, fox. F, ox, fox. So हमने F put किया तो यहाँ fox. And if I change this with letter B, I've got the sound, okay, as b, ox, box. Okay, let's move to the next group. Op, op. Let's see क्या क्या words बनते हैं. देखो, if I put letter T, t, op, top. T, op, top. If I replace this with, देखो, M, it becomes m, op, mop. Let's do it one more time. M, op, mop. Very good. Next, see, this letter H. H, op, hop. H, op, hop. तो देखो हमने क्या क्या वर्ड्स देखे. Hop. Yes. Then we saw m, op, mop. And the last one was t, op, top. So these were the different groups. Now let us write them. Are you ready for your writing work? Chalo, let's begin. Okay, for writing, parents will open the page जहां आज का डेट पुट किया है. जैसे हम लोगों ने आज शॉर्ट ओ साउंड सीखा है, शॉर्ट ऑ साउंड सीखा है, हम लोग इसी तरीके से यू विल कॉपी ऑल दिस वर्ड्स. ये सारे वर्ड्स हम लोगों ने अभी अभी जस्ट रिवाइज किए थे. यस, यू विल जस्ट आस्क द चिल्ड्रन. आप इसे पार्टीशंस करेंगे. लेट द चाइल्ड राइट 5 टाइम्स. सो ग्रुप ओ, ग, ऑग. सो ड, ऑग, डॉग. ज, ऑग, जॉग. ल, ऑग, लॉग. What's the next group? O-T, ought. Oct, ought. So, देखिए क्या क्या वर्ड्स हैं. क, ought, caught. ह, ought, hot. P, ought, pot. Next, what's the next group? It is O-X, ox. Yes, ox, ox. So we have F, ox, fox. B, ox, box. What's the next group? See, we have O-P, op. Yes, so क्या words बन रहे हैं देखो. H, op, hop. M, op, mop. T, op, top. Okay, so children, you will revise all these words. Yes, आप ये सारी spellings learn करेंगे. You will write it 5 times here. You will share the photos in the school group. And now children, it's time for rhyme. So now children, it's time for rhymes. So आज rhymes में हम लोग एक farm animals वाली poem कहेंगे. Are you ready for it? तो चलो, let's begin. It's called Old MacDonald. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack, here and a quack quack there. Quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. Bow bow here and a bow bow there. Bow bow here and a bow bow there. Here a bow, there a bow, everywhere bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. Mew mew here and a mew mew there. Mew mew here and a mew mew there. Here a mew, there a mew, everywhere mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. Moo moo here and a moo moo there. Moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay, very good. So children, you will complete your writing work. You will revise the animal names. You will sing the rhyme and you will share the photographs of your writing work in the school group. Okay? So I'll see you next week. Till then, bye-bye.